Good day, beautiful soul family, and welcome back to Discoveries to the Miracles Beneath the Surface. All the honor and all the glory and praise goes to our Heavenly Father in Yeshua's name. Beautiful soul family. I was really trying to figure out if I am going to upload this video. And this video that I'm showing, I found it by the grace of the Most High Yah, and it shows Buzz Aldrin. And he's looking at everything like with great scrutiny. There are other things going on in this clip that I'm about to show you. I do not own any rights, but really as things are going on in this world, as the world turns. Anyways, beautiful soul family, are we looking at these time frames as Buzz Aldrin was looking at you know who? But do we know who? Anyways, beautiful soul family, there are other things going on. There are those that are in the spotlight and those who are behind the changing face. But are we paying attention? Are we looking like Buzz Aldrin in these times? Until the next message, have a beautiful and wonderful day, and may Yahweh continue to bless you, and may you bless him with your love.